Hi guys, welcome to Wing Ting's kitchen. Today we're going to make kimchi pancakes, which are super easy to make and delicious. I'll be using kimchi that I made in my previous video, which you can find the link up here or in the description box below. You can jazz up your kimchi pancakes as much as you like, for example adding different seasonings, vegetables, meat or even prawns. But I'll show you how I make my kimchi pancakes, and the ingredients listed are enough to make 4 large kimchi pancakes, roughly the size of a dinner plate. So let's get started. You will need 450 grams of kimchi, 150 grams of plain flour, 240 milliliters of water, 50 grams of onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and oil for frying. First we'll need to peel and slice the onions into small pieces. Then put this inside a large mixing bowl. Peel the garlic and using a garlic mincer, mince the garlic into the mixing bowl. Add the kimchi as well as the kimchi juices and give it a mix. Add the sugar, the flour and half of the water. We won't add all the water in one go, just so that we can check the consistency and then add some more if needed. This gives you more control over your mixture. As you can see, it's still quite thick, so I've added some more water. Give this a really good mix until everything's combined. Your mixture should look something like this. Now it's time to fry the pancake. Heat a non-stick saucepan on a medium to high heat and put in a generous amount of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Give your pan a swirl so the oil coats the bottom of the pan. Put a ladle full of batter into the pan and using the ladle, spread out the batter evenly. Leave this to fry on one side for 3 to 4 minutes. You will start seeing the edges go crispy and the middle of the pancake will start changing colour. Then flip this over. It should have a nice golden colour to it. Push down the pancake to make sure it cooks evenly. Again, leave this to fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Check the colour of the pancake. If it's also golden, the pancakes are ready now. Repeat the frying steps for the rest of the batter. To complete the dish, we'll make a simple dipping sauce using 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of water, a drop of sesame oil and chili flakes, and give it a good mix. We're ready to serve now. So here's my kimchi pancake served with a simple dipping sauce. It seems like a lot of kimchi and batter, but I'm sure I could have eaten them all by myself and more. If you have kimchi at home, why not make some kimchi pancakes today or tomorrow? And if you don't have any kimchi, why not make some today? I hope you liked my video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye!